Hey, I'm James from J Technology, and we are here at the PRS factory in Stevensville, Maryland. We have Sergio here with Apogee. Can you explain to us what Apogee is about and how they got started?
Sure thing. Well, I can tell you how they got started. Back in 1985, Apogee had a mission, and it was basically to solve the inherent issue in digital recording at the time, which was it was at its infant stage, and there were a lot of issues with digital recording at the time. A lot of noise, and I mean the list goes on and on. But Apogee discovered and managed to create the hardware that fixed a lot of these issues. And basically, since 1985, Apogee has been setting the bar and raising the bar for digital recording. And honestly, if it wasn't for Apogee, we probably wouldn't be recording on Pro Tools or Logic or GarageBand or on our iPads or iPhones or anything like that. And it's a real pleasure to get to work for a company like this, actually. But yeah, that's in short, Apogee makes audio interfaces basically that allow you to plug in your instruments to your Mac or to your phone, or iPhone rather, and your iPad.
Great. Can you tell us the different lines that you guys carry here?
Yeah, absolutely. So today we brought our pieces that are geared towards guitar players because we're in a guitar factory. So first one I want to show you is this guy right here. This is the Apogee Jam. Apogee Jam plugs into your iPad, plugs into your phone, iPhone, and it also plugs into the Mac. Comes with two cables, actually three cables. One of the cables is a USB cable that plugs into your Mac. The other one is a 30-pin cable that plugs into your iPad, and a lightning cable that plugs in to your iPhone. Don't have the cable on hand, it's somewhere in the vicinity, but we've been using it. And yeah, it's a great piece, sounds amazing. Plug your guitar into it. You can actually plug in a bass, you can plug in a guitar into it as well. Keyboards, pretty much anything that takes a 1/4 inch input, but it's a great piece, it sounds amazing. Again, great way to record guitar parts, and I use it for sessions all the time. I use it on the road because it's small. Yeah.
And what's the price range on that, and where can people purchase that?
Jam is $100, and you can find it at an Apple store. You can find it online in a number of different retailers. So yeah, I'm sure if you go to our website, we'll lead you to the right place.
Sounds good. And what's the second product you're going to show us?
Okay, this guy. Now we've got the electric guitar part covered. Now, if you wanted to record, let's say, an acoustic guitar part, this is a great microphone for that. Aside from being a great mic for recording vocals, this mic sounds really good on acoustic guitars. And it's very similar to Jam in that you just plug it into an iPad or plug it into a phone, an iPhone, or plug it into a Mac, and you can start recording right away. It's got a built-in mic pre. It's got a built-in audio interface. So in most situations you would need a microphone, and you would need a mic pre, and you would need an interface so that you could plug in your mic. Well, this is kind of everything in one, and it sounds phenomenal. It really does. You should see these videos that we've made. They're incredible.
Have to check them out. And what's the price range on that?
Mic is $199.
So what are the other products that you have available?
Okay, so over here we've got the Apogee One. Now, imagine taking the Apogee Jam, which is a guitar input, and the Apogee mic, which is a microphone, and putting them together and mixing them up, and you've got an Apogee One. Apogee has the guitar input, it has the mic input, it has a headphone output, so you can plug in your headphones, really nice headphones if you'd like, and it also plugs into an iPad. But the coolest thing about it is that it actually has a built-in microphone on it, which sounds amazing. It really does. And it's a great piece for portability. You can take it on the road with you. if you have it plugged into the wall, it actually charges your iPhone or iPad while it's plugged in, which is great. Again, it's portable, so it doesn't need to be plugged into the wall. And yeah, works with Mac, GarageBand, Logic, Pro Tools. Works on an iPad, iPhone.
And price range?
The Apogee one is $349.
Okay. And do you have any other products?
A couple more. All right, so next in line is the Apogee Duet. Now the Apogee Duet, very much like the Apogee One, can plug into your iPad, can plug into your Mac, your iPhone. It's got 2 channels of input, so you see them right here. These are the 2 channels. So here you can actually plug in a 1/4 inch for guitar or bass, and you can plug in a microphone as well. It's got phantom power. It's got 4 outputs. It's also got a headphone output here, so you can plug in your nice headphones. This volume knob, or knob actually, can actually be pressed to switch between the different inputs. So you can change gain, a speaker output, and a separate headphone output. So if you have your headphones, you can have that set to a different level than you do your speakers. It's a very neat feature. Yeah, that's the Apogee Duet.
And for the Duet, what's the price range on that?
The Apogee Duet is $649.
Great. And this product that you have down here, what is this?
This, my friend, is called Geo. It's one of my favorite pieces that we have here. It's a guitar interface, really. It's for guitar players. And basically, you plug your guitar into it. You can plug it into your Mac. And it allows you to cycle through different sounds for your guitar. So for example, here we've got like a Marshall sound, and you won't really get it by looking at the color switching, but if you look at the screen, you can see that Geo actually switches through different amps. And these control different stomp box effects. So for example, this is a vibrato, this one's a delay, this one's a phaser, and you can see them switching on and off. It's a great way to record hands-free on a Mac. Best way, honestly. And it's also got a row of transport buttons, if you see here, which allow you to hit play, stop, move forward, move the song back, go to the beginning. You can hit record if you want to, and just start recording. You stop, go back, do another take. Really neat. Stop, switch to a different sound, play some guitar solos. There you have it.
Great. And the Geo, what's the price range on that?
Geo is $395.
So all these products can be basically purchased at Apple and other places? Or?
Yeah, it can be purchased pretty much anywhere online, or your favorite retailer, honestly.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Sergio.
Thank you.